Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing a prize that I won from @RebeccaHoot on Instagram. She had an Instagram contest, and I think it was Patty from Mummy and Me Crafts that shared the original contest. So I had never discovered her page before, and I was happy to discover it even without winning a prize because she has a very unique style. She does a lot of painting, and anyways, I entered the contest and I subscribed to her channel. I've been following along and I've really enjoyed all of her creations. So this is what she sent to me. So I'll start with the book. It's one of these Casey and Company smash books. And oh, I love like a piece of vellum on the front. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so neat. Oh, look, we baked you a cake. So I haven't actually really worked with a smash book. I'll put it down here so you can see as I flip through the pages all the different patterns and things. It's kind of like nobody sees the world quite like you do. It's kind of like a junk journal that you could have like already pre-made for you, and you can just add things into the book. You can use it for journaling, you could use it for scrapbooking, you can use it to doodle and keep notes, and anyways, it's a lot of fun things to do. I like this page a lot. This space is for writing messages. Fancy that. Oh, I like this little library pocket, and then the books on the other side. Ooh, nice little collage. Ooh, butterflies. Some like antique silverware that's tarnished. So it's definitely got a sort of vintagey vibe to it. So there's some vintage bikes. But then a lot of like plain sort of papers as well. Definitely something fun to work with. And then she was really, oh, I like that. She was really generous and actually gave me a beautiful ephemera pack to go with it as well. And ephemera happens to be, oh, love that, happens to be one of my favorite things. These are one of my favorite things as well. So let's just slide this all out here and see what kind of goodies she's tucked inside for me. Super fun. So I see some beautiful butterfly wood veneers. Very thankful for those. What is this cutie patootie little pen? That's cute. Let's see. Write on something here. It is black. So that's a really fun little character on there. I wonder if it would even fit in here. This does have a pen loop on the side, and it does. I might end up giving that to one of my girls anyways. So I got some washi, a cute little girl holding an umbrella. This looks fussy cut, and a nice little piece there. Ooh, this is Cartabella. I can tell by the feel of the paper. Just be you, darling, follow your heart. This is really pretty. I haven't had this collection, and it is quite beautiful. That's a different piece there. We've got some more Cartabella here. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, these are fun. Those are really nice. And then she's got some tickets. Always a super fun piece of ephemera to work with. She's got another little, this looks like a Tim Holtz antiqued, old-fashioned sort of vibe there. Another one of these pieces. Oh, it's a little card. Oh, thoughtful. What fun. Some little tags. That's really cute. All these little pieces of ephemera. These are more of like a glossy kind of paper. That's again more of a matte. I'm telling you, butterflies are like the theme of my life right now. They're just popping up everywhere we've been raising monarch butterflies, and now all of a sudden everywhere I go, that's beautiful, that's Bo Bunny, I can tell. They're just popping up. Oh, I love this. Oh, this will be fun to create a little library card. That's sweet, little journaling card. Oh, I love doilies. Wow, she's included an entire pack of ephemera. I'll look at that in a minute. This is a really cute pic with a star on it. Oh, a napkin that matches the bag that she gave me. The complete opposite. That is so cool. I will get use out of those bags. That's really handy. Gain some more of that Cartabella paper. That's a really pretty collection. So an antiqued, or sort of like a notebook paper. The Traveler's Gift. Some music notes. And then let's take a peek inside this noteworthy 58-piece Bo Bunny ephemera pack. I don't want to wreck the package. I'm just going to take these out because I can't slip that package out easily. There's a little tulip in there. So there's a key. That's neat. Some flowers. Dragonfly. Little ladybugs. Wow, there's so much in here. Butterflies and flowers and dragonflies. All these pieces. These are different than what I'm used to working with for sure. Little bee. Tomato plants. There's a little tag. Bo Bunny really packs their ephemera full. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, these are so cute. Cherries. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've opened an ephemera pack from from Bo Bunny. Beautiful little hummingbird. I am going to use this to create a birthday card for my friend whose birthday is coming up, and I happen to know that she likes all of these things. Like, she's just a garden enthusiast, so I can make a beautiful card. And they have every month on here, which is amazing for journaling, for my planners and stuff. Best friends. So they're just blank on the other side. Gosh, this is just packed full. Like, just beautiful. You can decorate the envelope even and have a little pretend stamp on it. Oh, look at that guy. Yeah, very, very nice. Oh, it goes on. There's so much more. So I will leave Rebecca's information down below in the description box if you want to go over and follow her channel. She's really quite talented. I was very thankful and grateful that she was able to send this to me, and I wish her well. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.